Welcome back my channel. The 2025 Ducati V21L marks the latest evolution in Ducati's MotoE program, an electric prototype that races to push forward alternative technology while staying true to Ducati's DNA. With its third season underway, this bike isn't just about competing, it's a laboratory for innovation, especially in battery tech, electronics, weight reduction and handling. At its core, one of the biggest changes for 2025 is the upgraded battery pack. Ducati has moved to a more advanced lithium-ion chemistry, increasing the energy density from 4.2 Ah to 5 Ah. Despite reducing the number of cells by 192, the V21L maintains its power and autonomy. That's not a small thing. Fewer cells mean less weight, and Ducati has managed to shave roughly 8.2 kilograms just from that battery change. Unsprung weight has also been addressed. A new rear rim without false dampers reduces weight by another 600 grams, improving handling responsiveness, especially in corners. The total weight of the 2025 V21L has dropped significantly. From about 225 kilograms wet weight in previous seasons, the bike now weighs in at approximately 216.2 kilograms. That's a big gain in racing terms. Every kilogram matters, especially in an electric racing bike where adding weight tends to compromise performance more severely than in combustion engines. On the chassis and geometry front, Ducati has made the V21L a little more stable under braking and responsive in handling. The steering bushings have been modified so that the bike is about 4 mm longer, trail and rake stay the same, but that small increase in wheelbase helps stability. The swingarm pin is now height adjustable, giving teams flexibility to adjust chain pull effects depending on gear ratios or track layout. Electronics get a solid upgrade. One of the more interesting changes is the new traction control setup. Instead of a single universal mapping, there are now 3 different mappings selectable by the rider, and calibration can vary for each section of the track. That gives finer control to deal with different surfaces, braking zones, acceleration zones, etc. Performance numbers remain strong. The V21L delivers approximately 180 horsepower and 118 Nm of torque in its updated form, pushing its ability to compete in the MotoE world. Speed is impressive. During its earlier specs, the V21L achieved a top speed of circa 275 km/h on the Mugello circuit. The 2025 MotoE calendar has been laid out. There are 7 rounds, 14 races in total, with test sessions beginning in April at Barcelona, then just before the first round at Le Mans. Looking beyond numbers, the V21L plays a strategic role. It's Ducati's frontline platform for developing electric vehicle (EV) tech in racing, with the hope of transferring what works to future road-going models. It's an experiment in making high-performance electric bikes that still deliver the feel, responsiveness and excitement Ducati riders expect. All the updates in 2025, lighter weight, better battery, improved electronics, hint at that future. For a YouTube video, you could spotlight close-ups of the new battery pack, shots comparing the older and new rims, telemetry or data-driven graphics showing lap time improvements from the lighter weight, interviews or voiceovers about what the adjustable swingarm pin means, and a track test segment. Viewers will want to know how these technical tweaks translate to performance. Stability under braking, agility through corners, battery life, how the new traction control helps in different sectors. By narrowing gaps, shaving off fractions of a second, Ducati's 2025 V21L puts performance and electric evolution side by side. It's not just about going electric, it's about doing it with ambition, precision and racing heritage.